session we are going to learn about what is meant by the graph and its representation. So what is meant by the graph? Graph is a terminology in which it represents the relationship between the any two objects. Let us think these are the two objects. It describes the relationship between the two objects, how these objects are being related. In order to discuss the relationship between the two objects, it has to need the two components. One is known as nodes, another one is known as edges. So what is meant by the nodes? Nodes is the most important component of this graph. Nodes is the most important component of this graphs, where these nodes are known as the entities, and the relationship between those entities is described by the edges. So next one is edges. Edges is also one of the most important component of the graph. So edges is also one of the most important component of the graph. So edges is used to describe the relationship between the two nodes. Okay, nodes are known as entities in the graph, and the edges is used to describe the relationship between those entities, how they are, one node is related with the other node. Now let's get into the graph representation. How the graph is represented? Graph is represented by adjacency matrix. The representation of graph is of two types. One is adjacency matrix and another one is adjacency list. What is meant by the adjacency matrix? Adjacency matrix is represented in a 2D array. Adjacency matrix is represented in a 2D array of size n cross n. What is meant by the n? N is the number of vertices. First point. Second point, if we take in the undirected graph, this adjacency matrix will be always symmetric. How we represent the adjacency matrix? Adjacency matrix is used for the representation of the weighted graphs. Okay, adjacency matrix is used for the representation of the weighted graphs. As this is represented in the 2D array, the example of this adjacency matrix will be like this. Okay, next get into the adjacency list. Adjacency list. What is meant by the adjacency list? Here it is represented as array. In this, array is used as the list. In this, the matrix is represented in the 2D array form, and in this the array is only used as a list, where the size of the array will be equal to the number of the vertices. And this adjacency list is also used to represent the weighted graphs. And this array is used in the form of the list. The example of the adjacency list is this one. And there are two more representations, that is incidence list and incidence matrix. Incidence list and incidence matrix. And these two representations are rarely used. And the choice of the graph depends upon the number of operations performing in the graph. Okay, and this is the end of this session. In this session we have learnt about graph and its representation. Thank you.